Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special, the 2025 McLaren 720S Spider. This is a car that defines speed, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering. Whether you're here for its stunning looks, mind-blowing performance, or the thrill of an open-top supercar experience, this McLaren delivers on every front. Let's dive deep into everything that makes this car one of the most exciting supercars of 2025. Starting with the design, the 2025 McLaren 720S Spider remains true to its aggressive and aerodynamic philosophy. Every curve, vent, and bodyline is engineered for maximum downforce and minimal drag. The front fascia has been slightly refreshed with new LED headlights featuring a more defined, signature lighting pattern. The iconic dihedral doors still open dramatically, adding to the car's supercar presence. One of the most impressive features is the active rear wing, which adjusts dynamically to improve aerodynamics and braking efficiency. The retractable hardtop roof can now be lowered in just 11 seconds at speeds of up to 31 mph, allowing you to enjoy the sound of that twin-turbo V8 with the wind in your hair. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures the car remains rigid even without a fixed roof, and the new color options, including the stunning volcano blue and aurora orange, make the 720S Spider an absolute head-turner. Stepping inside, the interior is just as breathtaking as the exterior. The cockpit is designed to be both driver-fingered and luxurious. Premium Alcantara and leather cover the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel, offering a high-end feel. The digital instrument cluster adapts based on the driving mode, providing essential information at a glance. At the center, you have McLaren's portrait-style infotainment system, which is responsive and intuitive with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. The seating position is perfect, giving you an incredible view of the road ahead, while the carbon fiber paddle shifters and minimalist center console emphasize the car's racing DNA. The retractable hardtop features an electrochromic glass panel, allowing you to adjust the tint level to control sunlight exposure. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, lies a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that produces an astonishing 710 horsepower and 568 lp-ft torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering lightning-fast shifts. The 720S Spider can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of 212 miles. The proactive Chassis Control 2 system ensures incredible handling, constantly adjusting suspension settings for the perfect balance of comfort and performance. The electro-hydraulic steering provides precise feedback, making you feel connected to the road like never before. Whether you're carving through canyons or pushing it to the limit on a track, the 720S Spider remains composed and exhilarating. The carbon ceramic brakes offer phenomenal stopping power, bringing the car from high speeds to a standstill with confidence. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 McLaren 720S Spider starts at around $330,000, but with optional extras like bespoke MSO, McLaren Special Operations, customization, upgraded interior materials, and carbon fiber exterior packages, the price can easily exceed $400,000. While it's a serious investment, what you're getting is a car that delivers a near hypercar experience at a fraction of the cost. So is the 2025 McLaren 720S Spider worth it? Absolutely. It's a masterpiece of design and engineering, offering blistering speed, stunning looks, and an open-air driving experience that few cars can match. If you're in the market for a top-tier supercar, this one should definitely be on your list. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 720S Spider.